Hello and greetings from Hanover. I'm pretty happy to be after such a long COVID time now with everybody, and today I want to give a quick speech about customer-centric services that Omron is developing. You find me at the moment in front of a flexible palletizing cell, and of course this shows a very beautiful, let me say, greenfield application, how we are seeing the future and a flexible manufacturing outline. As a matter of fact, if I go to manufacturing sites of our customer, we see a lot of brownfield application. So the real and brutal truth of our customers is not that they have just a greenfield, we can put everything of nice equipment in there. It's rather that we have old lines that need to be brushed up. And we are looking in that sense to have consultancy for the customers to help them to retrofit, to refurbish their lines with solutions like this. For example, if you look in the background, you see this mobile robot over there that is just collecting now material. In an existing brownfield, most probably you have some trolleys or you have some manual workers that operate this kind of pallets and move it around. But in a kind of service, we offer now to customers to consult them and give them advice and give them education how they can restructure their existing lines to become far more flexible. This is one kind of advanced service we have in mind. Very important is that we understand first where is the customer pain, where is the bottleneck in their production, how can we overcome their main bottleneck and solve it probably with a mobile robot, probably with a cobot application, maybe IoT solution, or maybe safety remediation can be something that we have in mind. So you see, it's quite difficult to outline the complete space of services that we have in our portfolio. What is very important, at first we want to listen to your application, to your requirements, and where you have the pain today. What hinders you from your better operating efficiency? And then giving this advice, giving these tips, probably we can help you to step up in your production and make your brownfield to be a digital factory of the future. Thank you very much for listening.